Welcome back to my channel. Today's story teaches an important lesson about not giving up too early. Raghav was not afraid of hard work. From the day he decided to chase his dream, he gave it everything he had. While the city slept, he was awake, planning, learning, and improving himself. He believed that if he stayed consistent, life would eventually reward him. Every day he sent applications, proposals, and emails filled with hope. Some days there were replies, most days there were none. When rejections came, they were polite, but they still hurt. Each rejection felt like a small crack in his confidence, yet he kept going because quitting was never part of his plan. As years passed, reality became heavier. His savings were gone, and his small room felt smaller with every unpaid bill. Friends moved ahead in life, while Raghav felt stuck in the same place. Family members began to doubt him, asking when he would finally settle down. Their words were not cruel, but they added weight to the burden he already carried. There were nights when hunger kept him awake and mornings when fear sat heavy on his chest. Still, he told himself that struggle was temporary. He believed that success was testing his patience, and one day, all the pain would make sense. One evening, after receiving yet another rejection, Raghav sat silently staring at the wall. His phone buzzed with reminders, rent due, bills pending, responsibilities waiting. For the first time, hope felt like a lie. The strength he had been borrowing from tomorrow was gone. That night, Raghav made the hardest decision of his life. He told himself that dreams were for lucky people, not for someone constantly fighting survival. He decided to quit, not because he was weak, but because he was exhausted. Letting go felt like failure, but holding on felt impossible. The next day, he closed his files, deleted his drafts, and stepped away from the dream he had protected for years. As he walked away, he felt empty, unaware that destiny was moving in the opposite direction. On that same day, far away, an investor reviewed Raghav's application one last time. The idea stood out because it was honest, practical, and powerful. The investor smiled and said, "This man understands the problem. Let's give him a chance." An email was sent, an opportunity that could change everything. Days later, when Raghav finally opened his inbox, his hands trembled. The message was there, but the opportunity had already passed. He read the words slowly, realizing that success had knocked on his door when he had stopped listening. Tears filled his eyes, not because life was unfair, but because he had given up one step before the finish line. He understood then that failure wasn't losing, it was quitting too soon. From that day onward, Raghav carried one lesson in his heart: struggle ends, pain fades, but regret lasts forever. From that day onward, Raghav carried one lesson in his heart: struggle ends, pain fades, but regret lasts forever. That regret stayed with him every time he remembered how close he was to changing his life. It reminded him that quitting had cost him more than failure ever could. Slowly, Raghav began to understand something important. Life does not announce success before it arrives. It comes quietly, often when patience is running out and hope feels weak. He realized that most people don't fail because they are incapable, but because they stop trying too soon. With time, Raghav decided not to let that regret destroy him. Instead, he chose to learn from it. He started again, not with the same confidence as before, but with deeper awareness. This time, he promised himself that no matter how difficult things became, he would not quit without giving his best till the very end. He worked differently now. He focused on progress, not just results. He learned to accept slow growth and small wins. Even on hard days, he reminded himself that every step forward mattered, even if no one noticed it. Raghav also began sharing his experience with others. He told them his story so they wouldn't make the same mistake. He explained that success is not about talent alone, but about patience, timing, and the courage to stay when everything tells you to leave. Years later, when people asked Raghav about success, he didn't talk about money or achievement. He spoke about consistency, belief, and holding on during the darkest moments. He knew that one decision could change a life, and he hoped others would choose differently. This is why his story matters. Because somewhere, someone is about to quit today, not knowing that tomorrow could change everything. Moral: success often arrives right after the moment you feel like quitting. Hold on a little longer. Never quit too early.